Introducing a revolutionary sleep tracker that does so much more than monitor. The 8 Smart Mattress Cover, the first of its kind. Fits seamlessly onto your bed. No need to wear it or remember to charge it. 8 listens, records over 15 factors of sleep data from deep sleep and heart rate to room temperature and noise, and 8 responds. It sets a smart alarm to wake you lightly. Warms each side of your bed individually, and naturally integrates with your lifestyle, including Nest and other smart home platforms. Eight makes sleep smarter. Our science applied to your life to show how your nights impact your days, to make both work better for your best life. Eight, changing sleep forever and for better.
Start your mornings off right with the Electra Home Self-Set Clock Radio. This full-featured clock brings you convenience and reliability every morning when you need it most. With swivel time projection, this clock makes for easy, stress-free viewing. All you have to do is open your eyes. And with battery backup, this clock automatically sets the time and restores alarm settings after power loss. We've included all the features you need to get your day started right with Electra Home.
Alexa, please raise shade. Alexa, please lower shade.
The new Dyson PureCool Purifying Fan is engineered to give you more control over the indoor environment in your home. In Auto Mode, the LCD display shows you which pollutants are detected in the air in real time. You can set the angle of rotation up to 350 degrees to reach every corner of the room. On warmer days, you can increase the airflow through the front of the machine for powerful personal cooling. And for cooler days, you can change the airflow direction through the side vents for purification without cooling. For lighter sleepers, nighttime mode activates the quiet settings and the display dims automatically. For more detailed information, the Dyson Link app shows you indoor and outdoor pollution levels, what it's detected and when, and lets you schedule purification to suit your day. It can even tell you how many hours of filter life you have left. Changing filters is easy. Simply press down the side buttons to access the appropriate filter and replace it. The machine will confirm your new filter is ready to use, so you know the air in your home will continue to be purified effectively.
It's time to bring aromatherapy into the modern age. Introducing the Smart Diffuser by Sierra Modern Home. This heatless diffuser uses silent 360-degree ultrasonic waves to instantly vaporize water and oil molecules into the surrounding air. Moisten and purify air while relieving stress and promoting wellness for up to 12 hours. It can be used as a classic diffuser. Choose between various ambient lighting and strong or weak mist options with a simple press of a button. Or use it as a smart diffuser using the companion app. Connect the diffuser to your Wi-Fi network to enable all the intelligent features. Use the companion app on the go. Turn it on and off or control features like ambient lighting, mist intensity, and timer settings from anywhere in the world. You can create regular schedules in the app so you can get your diffuser to work at your desired times each day or on certain days and times that you designate. You can also use your voice to conveniently control your smart diffuser through Amazon Alexa or Google Home. The included quick start guides will help you easily connect the app to your smart assistants. Effortless and intelligent aromatherapy by Sierra Modern Home.